Hey Google, stop. Hey guys, welcome back. This is John with Trader for Life. Just want to give you guys an update. This is recording on Friday, the August 23. So let's take a look what's going on. Last week we talked about this level 20, 29.30 to 29.35. That will be the resistance. We're able to breach a little bit early in the morning, and then we fall back and then bounce back on Thursday. So let me go back to one day here, the daily chart. This is where we are, right? We basically trying a couple times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. We tried to breach today, and then the tweet came out that China basically retaliate with the tariff. The whole sector with auto basically is falling, and then Trump basically also come back with another tweet that the U.S. manufacturing need to look a different country or basically create everything back to the made in USA. We do not need China for manufacturing. The whole market basically tanked. You can see like the whole 5 minutes we basically went up because of the Jerome Powell testimony or speech. Basically, he came out with, "Hey, the market basically is vulnerable. We will do anything that we can basically to protect the market. We will cut more interest rate, yada yada." And then the Trump tweet came out, and then sell off everything until the 28.34. I do have the level there, and then it got breached. So and then it bounced after like 2 minutes before it's closing. Yeah, 5 minutes before it's closing right there, 55. So now the big question is where are we going from here? This is there's also a level support right there from the bottom line. If you see that this red line, let me change it to a different color so you can see it. Blue, make it thick, bum, bam, boom, bam. All right, so now you see it right there. It basically been taking out, and then it bounced back that 5 minutes before it's closing. Um, where do we, where do you think we should go? I mean, for me, this is still going down. I mean, there's a lot of potential that we're gonna test this level right here, 28.18, and then after that, the 27.75. I do think that we're gonna start testing this level right here because of the tweet. But of course, anything can happen. I mean, they can come back on Sunday and suddenly, yeah, we're okay. I mean, we need each other. We love each other, and we basically will work it out. Yada, yada. So it's a lot of stuff. There's so many unknown on the market. Everything depending now with the tweets, so it's kind of sad. But it is what it is. There's nothing much, we we can do. But look at this also. We testing this back channel on this low right here. That's why the market never able to reach that. If you look at that way, that within the weekly. So we are vulnerable to go down. So I do see there's more downside next week. But of course, with the good news, everything can change instantly. So that's where I'm thinking. What happened with NQ? Let's take a look. The same thing. This is the whole market just tanked today. So if you look at the chart, it's the same thing. Look at that. It's the same thing with the same chart. It's still basically trying to struggle within that support. But yeah, there's more downside. If you look at this one as well, pull it from here and here. Look at where we are right now. It's kind of crazy. If this level taken out on Nasdaq, you know where it's going. This level and then this level, 69.50, and then we're gonna start testing the 200 MA and then the what you call that, the December low. Now, if December low is taken out, then I'm basically bearish completely. So because the whole trend is changing. I believe I show you guys on the monthly here. You look at that. This is where the monthly chart right now. This is the support as well, and then that is the December low. Okay, I'm gonna make it sweet, short right here. I do not want to go deeper into the stock because I think the whole overall the market for next week is bearish. Keep in mind, there's another thing that's coming up. This is coming on the end of August. I'm thinking this week will be bearish, but there will be some opportunity to buy because on September we do have a Labor Day weekend, and then market tend basically to kind of minor bounce from it there because there's a lot of trader that leave early on December 3rd, December 4th, right? So market will be closed on December 4th. So just FYI, there's going to be some minor bounce over there, but I do tend to bearish right now to look at more downside. I'm going to see if there's any bounce, and then I'm going to look some short opportunity as well. I do mention this level is the resistance, so look at where we are right now. All right, so that's pretty much for the whole market for next week. Expect more bearishness coming. Expect there'll be a lot of people more selling because of that tweet. Anything can change, so just be nimble, be humble, and always stay liquid. Have a good weekend and enjoy your weekend.